Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about flowers. So when you think of flowers, what do you think? Well, I think of spring, of course, because that's when flowers start growing up and out of the ground. Okay, so when we get started, make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. We're going to start, as always, with you'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. Here we go. You'll sing a song, and I'll sing a song, and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song, and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, let's go again. You'll sing a song, and I'll sing a song, and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song, and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, awesome. So our next song is called Seeds to Flowers, and it's to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, so follow along if you know the tune, okay? Spring has brought us sun and showers, sun and showers, sun and showers. Spring has brought us sun and showers, so seeds will grow and turn to flowers. Okay, let's go again. Spring has brought us sun and showers, sun and showers, sun and showers. Spring has brought us sun and showers, so seeds will grow and turn to flowers. Okay, awesome. Do you guys grow any flowers? What's your favorite flower? I like them all, but I really like daisies, because that's what I named my dog. So, our first book is called Lola Plants a Garden. Lola loves her book of garden poems. Her favorite poem is the one about Mary Mary. Lola wants to plant a garden. Mommy says there is room near the vegetables. Lola gets the books about gardens from the library. She chooses her favorite flowers from the books. Mommy makes a list. They go to the garden store to buy seeds. Lola and Mommy make the garden. The seed packets mark where the flowers are planted. Lola will have to wait a long time for them to grow. Lola makes her own flower book while she waits. Mommy types the Mary Mary poem and Lola glues it in. Lola makes a string of bells. She finds shells and some old beads. She even makes a little Mary Mary. One day, Lola sees tiny green shoots. She pulls up weeds so her shoots can grow. Those are her flowers she's growing. Lola's flowers grow bigger. They open up to the sun. See, they're sunflowers. Aren't those pretty? Daddy helps Lola hang her shiny bells. Lola finds Mary Mary a special spot. It's just perfect. Orla, Ben, and Ty are coming to see Lola's garden. Lola and Mommy make cupcakes. Lola wears her flower shirt. Mommy helps Lola with her hair. Lola's friends love everything about her garden. They share the crunchy peas and sweet strawberries that Mommy grew. Then Lola makes up a story about Mary Mary. What kind of garden will Lola plant next? Lola, Lola, extraordinary. How does your garden grow? With flower seeds and shells and beads and happy friends all in a row. Growing a garden is so much fun. What do you think she's going to grow next? I'm betting more flowers because she really likes flowers, huh? So in the book, they're talking about the poem Mary Mary. So that's like the little doll she made, and that's why she wanted to grow flowers so badly. So the poem is from Mother Goose, and it goes, Mary Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Okay, let's say it again. Mary Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. And at the end of the book, Lola made up a poem that goes the same way but with her name. Lola, Lola, extraordinary, how does your garden grow? with flower seeds and shells and beads and happy friends all in a row. Isn't that sweet? So see, you could do that. You could rewrite a poem with your name. That'd be really fun, huh? And this ties in with our craft this week, which is a little flower that you make out of hearts and the little pom-pom in the middle. If you make a garden, you could put that in front so you know you're growing flowers, huh? Okay, so our next book is called The Reason for a Flower by Ruth. And this kind of talks about why flowers are so important for the environment. See, this flower has become a plum. Did you know flowers can become fruits? Like cherry blossom trees. Cherry blossoms can become cherries. Birds and bees. And these. See, butterflies. And these sip nectar from the flowers. See, that's a bat. I think those are moths. See, they all drink from flowers. And as they search for more and more pollen from the flower before, goes to the next one they explore. So see, when they drink the pollen, they take it to other flowers, and it makes all the flowers strong and healthy. Some pollen travels in the breeze, without the help of birds or bees, and very often makes you sneeze. So like in the spring when people have allergies, it's from the pollen in the air, from the flowers, and all of the birds and the bees spreading it around. That's what makes you achoo, sneeze. From an anther on a stamen to a stigma on a style, pollen grains must travel and stay a little while, and then you'll see the reason. For each flower, even weeds, the reason for a flower is to manufacture seeds that have a cover of one kind or another. Some grow inside a juicy fruit, like a watermelon, and it's not odd to find them growing in a pod, like a pea. The largest one's a coconut. Did you know that? A coconut, as big as it is, that's a seed, just like the itty-bitty ones you plant in the ground. Seeds travel far and wide. Some even like to hitch a ride upon a bike or on a shoe. Squirrels hide them and forget they do. Some have burrs that stick to furs and travel at a gallop. So you know, like those little sticker burrs that can get stuck on your shoes when you're outside a lot? That's what they're talking about. Those are seeds, and when they travel, they'll grow in different places. Seeds can settle anywhere they find water, sun, and air, and then grow roots and stems and leaves. Some seeds grow up to be trees. Isn't that cool? These grow where it's very dry. So these are cactuses, or cacti, I think is the correct way to say it. And these grow where it's wet. See, these are water lilies. These may not look like flowers. They're the most important yet. Rice and barley, millet or millet, I'm not sure, and bamboo are cereals we need to eat, like wheat and corn. And they are a treat for animals who don't like meat. They are called herbivores. Would you believe that these plants eat meat? And they are called carnivores. It's like a Venus flytrap. The largest flower ever found grows in a jungle near the ground, a parasite clinging tight to roots of trees that feed it. It's 3 feet wide, or maybe 4, weighs 15 pounds and sometimes more, and has a nasty odor. This flower is called Rafflesia. But here's a flower that owes its fame to smelling very sweet, and scientists agree that magnolias seem to be a prehistoric family. That means they were around when dinosaurs were. All flowers are angiosperm. That's an ancient Grecian term. Here are just a very few products that are made from flowers: paper, straw, wood, candy, coffee, tea, cotton, popcorn, chocolate, pasta, perfume, bread, cork, medicine, rubber, and rope. That's a lot of stuff made from flowers, huh? Plants that have no flowers are fascinating too. Like this one that has become a plum. I thought that book was really interesting. It taught me a lot about flowers, so I don't really know either. I guess I don't know a lot about them now that I think about it, but flowers are very important. And if you keep researching about them, you'll know the reason for a flower. Okay, so our last song is Flowers Are Blooming. And it's to the tune of Are you sleeping, Brother John? Okay, so if you know the tune, sing along. Flowers are blooming, all around, all around. All the pretty colors on the ground, on the ground. Flowers are blooming, all around, all around. All the pretty colors on the ground, on the ground. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in to today's story time. I hope that you learned a thing or two about flowers. I know that I did. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.